Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what Instagram flagged and why. This determines your path. If it's a takedown notice, gather original files, timestamps, and any registration or licenses to prove ownership. Once done, screenshot the Instagram notice and copy claim details, claimant name, post URL, and message ID. Make sure to note whether the content was posted by you, reused with permission, or uses third-party material. These facts will shape whether you file a counter notice, request removal reversal, or submit proof of license. Now you construct the formal response. If you own the rights, prepare raw files, metadata, and any sign licenses. These prove provenance and help rights manager cases. If you have permission, get a signed license or email trail and highlight scope, dates, and exclusivity. Once ready, submit a counter notice in app or via the specified DMCA process. Input exact URLs and your contact info, and sign the legal declaration. Make sure to use precise, consistent names and dates to avoid delays or rejection. You finish by submitting the counter notice and saving confirmation ID and timestamps. This creates a record if the claimant escalates. After submission, monitor the case and inbox daily. Instagram may take days to respond. If the claim persists or is denied, escalate by contacting Instagram support, using rights manager escalation channels, or consulting legal counsel, especially for repeated wrongful claims. Troubleshoot by correcting metadata, reuploading with embedded license text, or requesting a withdrawal from the claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.